Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you the dogs airdrop dogs withdrawal update. So at first head over to your dogs account, and as you can see right now I have nothing, but you'll see deposit to exchanges over there. So you're gonna click on this, and then the first one which says exchanges. If you want to exchange through here or wallet in Telegram, that's up to you, but let's say we want to do exchanges, so we click on this and then head over to continue, and then whichever method you use, for most of the people it's Bybit, so click on Bybit and then click on send here. And at first it's asking, do you have a Bybit account? If you have it, then just tap on yes. If you don't, then click on no. Let's create it. So I'm going to click on yes, I have it. So the Bybit UID you're going to get, just head over to Bybit account and then tap on your profile and you're going to find your UID. For the dogs deposit address, just tap on send like deposit on your Bybit, and then you're going to find something called deposit crypto. Click on that, and from there you're going to find your deposit address and your memo, and then tap on send, and once it's done processing, it's going to send you, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.